How to create a business in the metaverse. So the metaverse is an augmented reality, virtual reality platform that's being pushed by all the big tech companies. And how the metaverse works is it allows for a lot more 3D interaction, and it basically creates a more real world interaction type of platform with people who are really far away from you. It makes them feel closer. Meta is pumping in over 10 billion US dollars, and it's approximated that the metaverse will have a value of 1,500 billion US dollars by the year 2029. Currently it sits at about 76 million users, but all those numbers are expected to grow. So how could you take advantage of this metaverse and create a business in the metaverse? So one of the first business ideas for the metaverse is creating a fun area, a play area inside the metaverse. It's how people use GTA servers to create their own play area where they can invite their friends over to come play, or how people use Minecraft servers where they could create their own server and people can join them to play. So you could do that in the metaverse and just charge people to play there. So this will work ideally very well for people who have some sort of following that they could leverage for others to come through, especially in the beginning when you're just trying to get off the mark. So you want to have that sort of thing. And then we'll see how the metaverse develops, but this is an early idea for those who want to start off quickly. The second one is selling things inside of the metaverse. There's a lot of non-fungible tokens. There's a lot of digital property that's coming up now that you could sell inside of the metaverse. You could sell different things. The third way you could make money in the metaverse is by creating some sort of apps that will work for the metaverse. There's a lot of AR, a lot of VR. So if you start programming for the metaverse, you'll be well ahead of everyone by the time the metaverse is actually like a thing, if it ever becomes a thing. And even if it never becomes a thing, there'll be quite an elite number of people with the money that could still give you quite the profits for developing for the metaverse. Another way to make money inside the metaverse, this is my favorite one, is by teaching something, creating something, demonstrating something. So because of the way that the metaverse is made, it makes it a lot easier for education to happen inside of the metaverse, because now people are able to see you. There's more of a connection, tutorials and everything like that. It's easier to do inside of the metaverse. I mean, you could literally be a doctor or a student in medicine learning inside of the metaverse because you feel like you're right there next to the doctor who's doing the operation, and you can see everything that he's doing. So you don't have to be in his presence. And that man can charge you. He could easily charge you. So think of things that you can teach inside of the metaverse. I feel like that's the easiest one. It requires less because it's just who you are and how you present the information you already know, and your game. You are game. You are inside the metaverse and you are making money inside the metaverse. Obviously, this money will likely be in all these digital currencies that are popping up and everything like that. But at the end of the day, you get that money, you sell it, you have real money, real cheddar. And this is money you made from the metaverse. So thank you so much for watching this video. That's how you can make money inside of the metaverse. I'm going to try and explore this topic of the metaverse and see how well we could go, how far we could go. But one thing I know for sure is the metaverse will be there, and people, a group of people, maybe not everyone will catch on easily, especially if it's not cheap, but a group of people will, and that group of people could make you millions inside of the metaverse. Thanks so much for watching, and peace.